Hello. Today we will talk about building composition in a picture. I will explain the rules with simple examples. In order for the picture to be understood and balanced, there must be a composition in it. The basic rule in the composition is the rule of thirds. To get the third, you need to divide the canvas into 3 parts. The points of intersection between the lines are considered to be the keys in the picture. It is in them that the main objects, events are located. It is these keys that attract the viewer to the picture. This has been proven from the point of view of human psychology. How to place keys in a composition. Let's say I decided to write events where there will be people. Such an event can even be an illuminated part of a landscape or a tree. But we will choose the person. I place the main character at the intersection of lines. This will be the starting point for our visual journey. After the main key, man, mountain, or tree, is defined in the composition, then the keys of the second and third order can be placed in the remaining area of the canvas. What do we need to do? We need to break the parts into thirds and arrange the keys, man, mountain, tree, by priority. At number 1, this is the main key, indicated in the black grid, should be the most interesting, detailed, contrasting. At number 2, in the blue grid, should also be interesting, it sets the direction for the eye. At number 3, in the red grid, a less important key, but it should be like completing the narrative, dynamics, and switching attention to the big picture. The rule of thirds is a very important part of the depiction of painting. The keys show movement in the picture. The viewer clearly understands what to look at first and what to leave for later. Tone in composition. In addition to the keys in the composition, 1, 2, 3, the tonality in the composition must also be observed. For the composition to work correctly, the gradation in tone must be smooth. The tone in the composition should not be 50-50, that is, one part is dark, the other is light. Be sure to write an intermediate tone. The picture should not be completely light, it should contain a dark spot, medium and light. Forms in composition. In order for the composition to be properly built, the form must also be observed. The shape is large, medium and small. If the algorithm is correct, then the balance problem will be solved, thereby strengthening the structure of the composition. These were the main points in the construction of the composition. If you like it, subscribe to the channel.